बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वाहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। उम्मीद करता हूँ तमाम व्यूअर्स, तमाम नाज़रीन खैरियत से होंगे। आपका टाइम ज़ाया किए के बग़ैर आपको ये बताना मकसूद है कि ये मेरी वीडियो भी एज़ ए इन्फॉर्मेटिव है। वो स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने रिसेंटली या पास्ट में कुछ ईयर्स बैक या 2 ईयर्स बैक उन्होंने FSc किया प्री मेडिकल और मेडिकल कैडेट कोर्स करना चाहते हैं और डॉक्टर बनना चाहते हैं एज ए इन पाकिस्तान आर्मी, ये उनके लिए है। सो टाइम ज़ाया किए बगैर टू द पॉइंट बात करते हैं। जो मेरे सामने कंटेंट्स पढ़े हैं वो इंग्लिश में मैं कोशिश करूँगा इंग्लिश में रीड आउट करूँ, क्योंकि जितने व्यूअर्स हैं, जितने भी ज़्यादा बच्चे जो डॉक्टर बन रहे हैं श्योरली वो इंग्लिश जानते हैं, ये उन्हीं के लिए है। इसलिए मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि तमाम का तमाम जितना भी इस ऐड के कंटेंट्स हैं आपको रीड आउट कर किए जाएँ। Pakistan Army has announced the registration schedule for Medical Cadet 2023. Pre-medical students can join the Pakistan Army Medical Cadet College and can continue their MBBS in Army Medical Colleges in Lahore, Rawalpindi, Quetta, Karachi Multan and Bahawalpur. Students with FSc Pre-Medical and minimum of 70% marks can apply online for registration. Medical cadets will complete 5 years of MBBS or 4 years of BDS courses in army-administered medical colleges. During their studies, they will receive stipend from the Pakistan Army, while their study expenses will be covered by the Army. 22 weeks of military training will be provided after the completion of the degree program, and after training, candidates will be appointed as Army doctors with the rank of captain. Test will be English B2 test, the English proficient, typing speed, and English intermediate. These tests will be taken. So we come to the registration. Registration for Pakistan Army Medical Cadet Course 2023 as already started from June 19. The last date to apply for Pakistan Army Medical Cadet Course is July 2023. मीन के पूरा महीना एक जो है रजिस्ट्रेशन रहेगी, इसके लिए प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हो गया। Preliminary exams will be held from July 24 to August 11, 2023. Separate exam dates will be allotted to the students and exam dates will be printed on your roll number slip. Pak Army Medical Cadet Course Schedule 2023. Registration, as I have already explained, registration has been started from June 19 and will end on 20 July. Written test, intelligence test, personality test will be held from July 24 to August 11. Pakistan Army Medical Cadet Course eligibility जो आपके मतलब सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया क्या है, एलिजिबिलिटी क्या है। एलिजिबिलिटी कंडीशंस एज 17 to 21 years, जेंडर मेल, martial status unmarried, nationality citizen of Pakistan and domicile holders of Azad Kashmir, Gilgit-Baltistan. Upon final selection, candidates with dual nationality will have to surrender physical standards, minimum height 5 feet 4 inches. Education. FSc Pre-Medical with minimum 70% marks or A-level passed in biology, physics and chemistry with minimum grade C. Candidates from Balochistan, Sindh, District Tharparkar, Umarkot, Northern Area, Azad Kashmir, Northern areas, Azad Kashmir, Upper Neelam Valley and FATA can apply with 65% marks. Candidates passing foreign qualifications such as O-level and A-level, etc. will be required to obtain an equivalent certificate and conversion of marks from Inter-Board Committee of Chairman, Ministry of Education, Islamabad, and attach it with the application form. Candidates who have passed the FSc Part 1 exam with the minimum 70% marks and appearing in FSc Part 2 final exam can also apply with hope certificate by the head of institutions. Such candidates must deposit an attested copy of FSc Part 2 certificate mark sheet to PA Directorate PA 3C1 GHQ Rawalpindi within 5 days of the announcement of the result. Otherwise, their selection will not be processed further. Ineligibility conditions. Not recommended twice by ISSB OHO Selection Board. Declared medical unfit by CMH 1 Appeal Medical Board. Declared medical unfit due to hepatitis C or B. Appeal Medical Board cannot be requested. Enrolled candidates and recruits withdrew, resigned, discharged, or I was dismissed from Army Forces, Army, Navy, or Air Force training academics, institutions on the grounds of discipline, character, and medical inefficiency, weak profile, on request, are declared unsuitable. An individual dismissed, removed from any other government service. Registration and preliminary selection procedure for medical cadet. Candidates can either register through the internet on the website, which is given in description of this video, by visiting Army Selection and Recruitment Centers, or by visiting, you can visit the Army Selection and Recruitment Centers. The following procedure will be adopted. Registration through internet. A candidate can register on the website www.joinpakarmy.gov.pk. Date and time of test shall be intimated on the internet, for which the individual should have an email account. Candidates will report to the exact date and time given for tests on a computerized roll number slip. Dates once given will not be changed. Candidates will also bring along documents mentioned in para 6 and will pay the prospectus fee on the day of the test. Candidates must attain a working knowledge of computers, as registration and test will be conducted on computers. Registration at AS and RCs, Army Selection and Recruitment Centers. The candidate may report at the nearest AS and RCs for registration or allotment of roll number, along with necessary documents mentioned in para 6 of the prospectus fee for completion of registration formalities. The candidates will bring these documents on the day of the test as well. Important points for Pakistan Army Medical Cadet Course registration. Candidates who apply for admission as medical cadet for Army only in AM College Rawalpindi, CMH Lahore Medical College, Quetta Institute of Medical Sciences, CMH Multan Medical College, Karachi Institute of Medical Sciences shall be required to pass current MD-CAT and NUMS entry test with minimum 65% marks. Minimum 65% marks MD-CAT must be passed. Mean they have to pass both MD-CAT for national and NUMS, National University of Medical Sciences, which is being administered by Army Medical College. The candidate must mention the name of the college for which applying, Army Medical College Rawalpindi or CMH Lahore Medical College, at the top of the application form, page 1. Candidates can also opt for colleges priority-wise. During the registration on the internet, the candidates must specify the choice of the college carefully. A candidate selected at merit for one institution shall not be changed. Candidates selected for MBBS in any of said medical colleges, and if not appeared registered in their respective regional exams, shall stand ineligible. So this was the video for those who want to become a doctor in Pakistan Army. I request all the viewers, please share it with the others who want to join as doctors in Pakistan Army. And if you liked this informative videos, I request you please subscribe my channel Raja Tariq Vlog, which is visible on the front page of this video. Thank you very much. Take care and have a blessed future. I wish all the students to join the Pakistan Army and serve the nation. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.